the fence gate project. So here it is. We've got the post hole digger all fired up. Had to get out and did some measuring to get the distance. I needed 5 feet, and that's what I got. I did learn after the fact that the other post is a little bit out of plumb, and I think it probably leaned a bit while we were stretching the fence that we put up before. But be that as it may, the post hole is getting dug. I've got 2 lines, one at 24, one at 36, etched into the handles on that. Only need to go down 24 inches or so to secure the corner post, and we'll just keep chucking away until we get there. Shouldn't take too awful long. Alright, got the post hole dug, got the fence post in, tamping it in. Nothing special about that tamping tool. It's just a branch off an ash tree that got cut down earlier, and I grabbed it and said that'll work for tamping in fence posts. So there it is. Going to check the plumb on this post, which is the one that we're going to actually hang the gate on. Just to make sure it's going to be all right. It's going to be plumb so that the gate swings appropriately. Looks good that way. Looks good that way. Yes. This morning we're going to start working on building the gate. Got some lumber laid out here. Got some treated 2x4s and some 2x2s. Sketched up a little bit of a plan here that will kind of keep me in line as far as the measurements go. Got the saw set up out there. Got the gloves and the safety glasses. Pretty much everything I need to get started with the project. So I'm just going to start measuring things out and getting some cuts made. And you can follow along as we go. Thanks. This morning we're going to put up our garden gate. Got the tools laid out. Hopefully I've got everything and won't have to run back and forth to the tool shed to get them. But the whole plan is to get this done today. We finally got a nice cool day to work in. It's about 68 degrees right now, very low humidity, all things considered for here in North Carolina. So off we go. All right, we've got the deer fencing taken off the closure post here and the chicken wire off this post here, and getting ready to set the gate in place. I'm going to use these kinds of hinges, just a hook and eye type hinge there. But wanted to give you an idea of the kind of different tools that we're going to need to get this project completed. Got a carpenter's axe there, a couple of drills, stapler, some fence staples, pliers, screwdrivers, and other implements of destruction. 4-foot level, 2-foot level, some screws, miscellaneous hardware here and there. And that's how we're going to get this taken care of. So here we go one more time. Well, the gate's up, hinges work. Just got a little bit of trimming to do to make it fit just right, but I think we got her done. Hi y'all. Wanted to just recap some of the lessons learned. Needed a 5-foot gate because our garden tractor's mowing pan is about 48 inches. And I needed just a little bit of extra to be able to maneuver in and out of that. So we set the fence post at 5 foot from the pre-existing fence post and went from there. When I originally laid out the measurements, I did not take into consideration the width of the side panels because I used 2x4 on one side and a 2x2 on the other. I picked up about 3 extra inches, 3.5 extra inches, and had to go back to the drawing board, trim that down, shorten it up so that it would fit 5 foot. Once we got that done, and we got the hinges drilled and in place, realized that the hinges had about this much room that they needed to function properly. Didn't take that into consideration because I cut it at 5 foot overall and had to do some trimming to get it so that it fit perfectly. So I chiseled out the entrance hole for the hinge on the door itself, on the gate itself, and then had to plane down the edge of the gate so that it would fit and lock tight. So a couple of lessons learned there. The gate's going to be pretty important because we're signing up for another load of wood chips to be delivered, and I'm going to need a way to transport those wood chips from where they dump them at the end of the driveway up the driveway, around the back of the house, and into the garden area so that we can spread out the wood chips. Sure do appreciate you watching this all the way through. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.